Today on What Chiropractic Doesn't Cure Stories of Innate podcast, I want to clear something up. Hi, I'm Jenna Quentin, founder of Adjust Your Media and host of the podcast, and I've received 2 messages recently. One saying what a good job I was doing and to carry on, and the second was a little bit more challenging. It said that the claims of chiropractic can do these amazing things were embarrassing and that I should stop. So I wanted to be really clear about what we are claiming on this podcast and the purpose of what we're doing. I want to be precise and specific. So chiropractic isn't the miracle. The miracle is how our bodies were beautifully designed in God's image and how we have innate intelligence, knowledge that is encoded into every cell that tells us how to develop, grow, thrive, and live and express life. However, and this is the thing that I think we all can agree with, is the world isn't perfect. It is stressful and often broken. There are traumas and toxins all around us in even the most ideal situation. It's not really ideal, is it? So those stressors create interference in our body. It can, where our nervous system isn't able to adapt to those stressors anymore. So in its purest, most profound sense, what chiropractic is doing is identifying where those stressors have created interference and removing it. And this allows that innate intelligence, that knowledge in our cells to be able to do what it does best and express life. So in that way, a chiropractic adjustment always leaves you better than it found you, because what it is doing is restoring a connection between the brain and the body via the spinal cord. What happens next is up to you. It's up to your body. It's up to your innate intelligence to decide whether it is going to prioritize repair and healing or whether it is just going to enjoy a better state of ease. We don't know what it will look like. Again, chiropractic is not curing anything. It is leaving you better than it found you with a restored connection. So what I really want everybody to understand in this podcast, in every story that we tell, is that the power that grew the body from sperm and egg is still within us. And when it is able to freely flow and to act as it sees best, you're better. And that may include healing, it may not. And I sure hope that you can understand what the purpose of these stories is also to let people know that there are options, to let people know that there is hope. And if you are interested in the science of this, the research and all of that, we can absolutely connect you to those resources, because chiropractic is a philosophy, an art, and a science. And when we combine all of those to understand really anything in life, we get a more balanced, beautiful approach than if we just try to do, one small silo. So I hope that this helps. It's very important to me to be clear in my communication and my messaging. It's why this podcast is called What Chiropractic Doesn't Cure, and it's why we are talking about stories of innate. If you are a chiropractor and you would love to share how chiropractic made somebody's life better, I would love to hear from you. So email me, Jenna@adjustyourmedia.com, or find me on any social media platform @adjustyourmedia, and have a great day.